today I'm gonna show you how to customize the brush pattern that you want to use in your floor plans sections Photoshops. So for this example, I'm gonna choose this pattern to be my custom-made brush. So first of all, I will copy this image and open up my Photoshop one, put it on new files. For the artboard dimension of that, it's always important to be in square dimensions. So I will choose 500 to be my dimension for the width and the height of that, and create a new files. In here I will paste the pictures of the brush pattern that I want to get custom made and fill it into the artboard of that. At this stage I will remove the background of that. So since the Photoshop of 2025 ago, they have this amazing features of removing background. So I get into that, I will click into the layers of the brush that I want to get it, turn on the edit files and put a define brush preset. Make the name for that. For example, I will be tree brush. Click OK. Okay, so at this stage the brush is put it in here. So I'm gonna customize it, like put it into another layers and put it onto the brush that I want. You could easily choose the size and also the hardness of that. There's a variety choice of brushes that's already custom made down here. Yeah, that's pretty much it of the video clips today. Thank you for listening.